One of the major controversies over the last 10 years about dinosaurs has to do with their extinction. And there's really not a simple, clear answer to the age-old question of why dinosaurs go extinct. On one hand, birds, which are direct descendants of small meat-eating dinosaurs, are evidence that dinosaurs didn't go extinct, that the bird lineage of dinosaurs is still with us today. However, most of the groups that we think of when the word dinosaur is used do disappear at the end of the Cretaceous some 65 million years ago. There are many different hypotheses to explain why the dinosaurs went extinct. One of the most popular, and the one that has gotten the most press in the last 10 years, has to do with some type of extraterrestrial event, a meteorite or an asteroid coming into the Earth's atmosphere and impacting. When that idea was first suggested in the 1980s, there was a great debate about whether or not this was one of the greatest ideas of the 20th century or one of the craziest. I think what has become clear in the last 10 years is that from geological evidence, it is clear that around 65 million years ago, there was at least one large asteroid impact on Earth. There's a second question here, however, and that is, what is the impact of that asteroid impact? How did it affect the biological systems? And that's a lot more difficult to investigate, considering we're trying to deal with a biosphere that has been extinct for some 65 million years. So the debate has now shifted from was there an impact to what were the effects of that impact? And the answer to that has not yet been resolved, but is certainly an area for very fruitful research. Whatever the answer ultimately turns out to be about dinosaur extinction, it's important to realize that although dinosaurs are the most spectacular animals to go extinct at the end of the Cretaceous, they are by no means the only group to go extinct. There is some kind of biosphere crisis, both on land and in the marine ecosystem, at the end of the Cretaceous, and that those crises and the large extinction events that we see occurring there at the same time are probably related to the same event, whether it's extraterrestrial, caused by some kind of climate or geological forces. We really need to be looking for a unifying effect to account for the extinction. Otherwise, we're forced to think up of thousands and thousands of individual causes for why all these animals went extinct at the same time.